Hello and welcome to the channel. Today I'm working on a 2007 to 2014 Chrysler Sebring /200. Same car, stuck in park. What do you do when that little thing breaks inside there? I've got a way to get it out of park. It's not easy. Others will show you it is. I'll show you how hard it actually is to get out of park, and I'll actually take everything apart and show you what you're seeing inside. Fairly detailed, step by step. Let's get right to it. So I won't show you it's stuck because yours must be stuck already. You need some kind of a thing to pry this open. This is one of those non-marring tools. I'll try and put a link in the description. So it looks like you unhook it from the front first and then you can go around. And it just has 4 fingers. And there's one at the very front, a 5th one that'll go facing the radio when you put it back together. So on the left side here, there's a piece that everybody shows you, and this is what it looks like, the pink piece here, that you stick a screwdriver down there and then push it back. Sounds easy, very hard to do. You also need a screwdriver on this side to push this plastic emergency pink release. And it'll move this other finger to the right there, which is solenoid operated. And like I say, those are the 2 things you're going to want to try and push. Now I'm showing you, this is the way the solenoid usually moves that black little finger, but this emergency pink piece will move it for you. Of course, you're not going to see these pieces because I've taken the console out. This is how the solenoid works electrically. So let's just try and get to it. So the first one I showed you, make sure your handbrake's on, because once you're in neutral, the car could roll. You see it's already moving something with that. Now the right one here is going to just push down on that. That's the easy one. It's easy to push down. But my left hand on this side here, it is not easy to move it back. I mean, it's very difficult. You really could use 2 people. One person holding the one on the right side. This is on the left side on the driver's side. If you can move that back, and then you need to move the shifter. So you see what I'm doing? Driver's side requires a fair bit of force to go back. The one with the black screwdriver, this one right here, it's real easy to push down. But to do it all together, it's a little bit of a nightmare. If you could have some help, you'll probably be able to do it. If you could have somebody hold the black screwdriver and the shifter, then you'll be able to apply the force. It's a 2-person job, really. There you go. Boom, it's in neutral. Don't put it in the low, which I do accidentally here. And then it's stuck in first, and I can't get it out of first. I'm not really sure what you need to do. Probably the same situation here, but I fiddled with it a little bit, and it's like, well, I'm just telling you, don't put it into first or low. Since mine isn't broken, I'm just going to stick the key in. Make sure your handbrake's on because the car could roll. I'm in my garage here, so it's not going to roll anywhere, but there you go. Problem is now you can't get the key out either once you put it in gear, unless you put it into park. So leave it neutral. Don't put your key in until you need to drive the car, and then you can get somewhere. So this is the plastic piece. Now the metal, I think, is an afterthought. I believe this, and see right here where this little hook is. Usually the spring just goes through the plastic and there is no metal hook there, and they break off at the plastic. So there may be a recall on this. This may have already been done. I was going to look it up to see. But that's the piece that has to be replaced. I believe you can get just a piece. Otherwise, you have to get the whole shifter. So, not an easy thing, but it may save you from getting it towed to wherever you're going, either to home or from home to the shop. And then you can take it from there, or you can try and fix it yourself. If you like the video, why not give me the thumbs up? Please. If you haven't already, why not subscribe? We've got a whole bunch more videos on this car. You can go up and take a look at our playlist on our 2007 to 14 Sebring /200, and check out the channel as well. Hopefully this was helpful to you. Until next time, I'm Mark saying bye-bye for now. Remember to be safe. Your safety is your responsibility and should be priority number one. Also, give me the thumbs up if you like the video. Plus, please subscribe and you'll get all the notifications. It's easy. The little dog will show you how. Ring the bell. Ring the bell. There, it did go. Okay, good. I did it. Off camera, but we did it. I'm Uncle Mark. Welcome to the channel. Today, working on a 2007 to 2000. Something in my eye.